Hi! Are you looking an investment or condo unit na walang down payment? Sa Empire East, nakakakuha ka ng iyong gustong condo unit na walang interest at flexible ang payment terms. Sa Empire East, dito kayo makaka-experience ng mga walang restriction sa pet, sa business, at sa mga visitors na gustong bumisita sa mga unit natin. In Empire East, Highland City, we offer units such as studio unit for as low as 6,000 pesos a month, one-bedroom unit for as low as 9,000 pesos a month, and two-bedroom unit for as low as 15,000 pesos a month. Kaya what are you waiting for? I-message mo na ako para mabigyan kita ng payment details, floor plan, unit layout, and development plan. Sa Empire East, sigurado, safe ang investment mo. And if you want to know more, please message me here. Again, this is Joshua Aguilar, your senior salesperson from Empire East. Thank you.